with ProTinkerToys.com. This is another one of our Nerf-like guns, the Galactic Ranger collection from Paris Manufacturing. Okay, and this is their Nerf-like guns. And this is the Night Rider. Night Rider. And this is the biggest one. It comes with 20 extra pellets, okay, or 20 extra soft bullets, okay. And this baby is 6 shots. Holy cow, it hit right on target. Oh, yeah, baby, yay! Woo, well, that was a good one. And this is a really nice, rugged plastic, okay. Comes in this beautiful packaging here. The Night Rider. This is a really nice one. This is nice. This is a quality gun by Paris Manufacturing. Nice quality construction. Oh, that was dead on. That was dead on, baby. And these are available at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button. And you also, when you buy one of these big ones, we throw in a free packet of 20 ammo. Look at this. All the time. When you buy one of these, we give one of these free. Absolutely free. Yes, sirree. I just ripped that. Okay. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, give us thumbs up, and don't forget, we're open now. ProTinkerToys.com. It's Brad. We're open, and guess what? We don't need a mask. Ha ha ha.